9th of September 2021. That's the other flare. So one flare will read the brain, one flare is shooting microwave weapons, false microwave weapons. Okay. Alright, so it's here. Right. So it's there always, it's a satellite, it's a satellite looking drone. It's here always beaming the hint. A few of them. There's another one there as well. See that? Another flare. Right. So you got 1, 2. On the other side, there's 2 there. Right. You won't be able to see it there. It's there. Right. 2. This one here. 1, 2. And here you go, 3. Right. Okay, this is a bit nearer. Okay. So you got 3 of them. They'll be around on the of the sky. At night you can see them. Alright, massive beaming on the head. Alright, so it's the 9th of September 2021 at 8:44. Okay, this is what they do now, and they spray all the chemtrails around, acting like stars, in stars. You can't zoom stars with an ordinary phone.